Whether you're heading on a quick weekend getaway, a long haul flight, or just need to stay fresh while you're on the move, getting the perfect anywhere glow just got a lot easier. Today, we are diving into the best of Pixi Beauty, a curated selection of travel-friendly essentials designed to keep you radiant from takeoff to landing. First up, let's talk about the ultimate travel hack, the Glow Tonic Cleansing Cloths. These are ultra convenient and a total game changer for carry-on infused with glycolic acid, aloe vera, chamomile, and vitamin E. These cloths cleanse, exfoliate, and hydrate in one simple step. They are alcohol-free, paraben-free, and cruelty-free, making them the perfect refresh after a long day of traveling. Next, the secret to looking like you've had a full 8 hours of sleep even if you haven't, is the BeautifEYE Under-eye Patches. These patches minimize darkness and give your skin an instant luminous glow. Each pack contains 2 patches suitable for all skin types. Just pop them on, relax, and emerge looking totally refreshed. For a pop-up color, the on-the-go Blush Petite in Ruby is your new best friend. This hydrating solid cheek tint gives you an incredible one-sweep color payoff that looks beautiful on all skin tones. The shade Ruby is a gorgeous strawberry red, perfect for holidays, plus it's multitasker. You can use it on your cheeks and your lips for a cohesive, flushed look. Speaking of lips, let's talk about the Hydra Plus Lip Treat in Rosette. If you struggle with dry lips, especially in recycled airplane air, this is a must-have. It's a hydrating tint packed with hyaluronic acid and natural butters to make your lips super soft. This chubby stick is such a delight to use and fits perfectly in any beauty kit. It's paraben-free, cruelty-free, and deeply nourishing. And finally, we have the iconic Glow Mist. This is an all-over glow in a bottle for that luminous, dewy complexion we all crave. It's enriched with 21 natural oils, propolis, and fruit extracts to hydrate, nourish, and protect your skin. It works for all skin types and is perfect for setting or refreshing your makeup throughout the day. Pro tip: you can even mist it on your hair for some added shine. Check the description and the first pinned comment for links to all these amazing products. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more beauty travel tips.